Hi everyone, my name is Ikechu Gochuku Stanley, and this is my project. I work on a rent fraud detection web app, a platform designed to help users verify listing and avoid scams by fraudulent agents and fake agent, or maybe fake listing and all those things. So it has been a problem all over Nigeria, like Abuja and Lagos. We talk about Aba, Port Harcourt, Omaya also, where you see fake agent posts everywhere, telling people that they have some properties to be rented or to sell, and at the end of the day it turn out to be fake and people are being duped of their hard-earned money. So that is why I come ahead and develop this particular web app. So it's an idea that I initiated to help people to avoid being scammed in terms of property. So without wasting much of our time, let's just look into this web app and see how this particular platform works like. Okay, the name of this particular app is called RentGuard. RentGuard, just once you open the link I posted there, then it will direct you to this RentGuard. Then you see, this is what you're gonna see when you open the link, something of this nature. Now how does it work? Because this web app have been developed with different property codes. As you mean, these are the property code that should be registered on the web app, or such as, okay, let's just give as an example which is being given here. This code here also is a property ID or property code, something of that nature. So you copy this property code and you copy it and you just go to this particular listing and paste your property code. Now you are trying to verify if the particular property is a real property, like if it is not fake, if it is real, so that you don't get scammed. And you just say verify this property. Okay, now this property is verified and it has been verified, and you see there's even details of the property, the agent's landlord, which is John Doe Properties, and the phone number you can call the landlord or the agent to verify if the property actually belongs to the person. Then these are the address of the property that you can actually go and ask questions around to know if that particular property you are seeing is actually what it used to be. So this is the first trial, and we still have a situation whereby the property might not be verified or suspicious or something of that nature. Then this particular example code here we should be using again to try it out to see exactly how this one works. So let's try the second code and see what is going to show us. So once you paste the code like this, you will say hit the verify button. Now okay, this is what we see. You see suspicious, which means this particular property is suspicious and has been reported by there has been 2 complaints about this particular property, which means it's not trustworthy. The people should not go ahead and commit any financial decision to any agent. So that's how exactly saving someone from actually being scammed from rent or from property buyer or from anything at all. So this is how this one works. We can actually test the third example here. The third code here, we have a lot of codes, but let's just use these ones as examples. So you can actually test the third code here, and when you test it, you copy it and paste here. It's a verify, or it's a reported for fraud, which means the person shouldn't go ahead to make any financial. He should run away because it's actually scam, because the property what I have verified this thing as a scam the property, and the reported complaint is about 15, as you can see. Every other details is being given, so it's actually will save people from being scammed in terms of property. Then a situation whereby the particular property is not registered on the database or in the platform. Okay, let's just try to fabricate a number which is not used in this coding and see what actually goes on there. So when we say verify, now we say not found, loading verification details, and these are the people we couldn't find any property of this code. So it means that such property of that nature did not do what, it doesn't exist. So exactly how this thing works, that's exactly how it works. So Okay, this particular web app was developed using an AI platform called anti-gravity. Anti-gravity, this is what I use in developing this web app, and listed it on GitHub, then publish it on Vercel before I got the code. So the goal of this web app is just to reduce the scam people went through in their this thing to find where they can stay or a rent where they can pay for. So thank you everyone, and this is my project. Thanks.